Friends, my name is Bhaskar Mondal and I am a student of IIT Kharagpur. Today I submit the capstone project that I have learned on the 5-day AI agent intensive vibe coding powered by the Google and Kaggle. Now let's see. First I open the Visual Studio Code. Here we run the project. Let's see. This is my project folder already open on my VS Code. This is the app code that gives the user interface section. Now I am run this code. Now let's go the upper section terminal. Now click on the new terminal. Then we give the command for run and enter. Let's see what is happening. The local host will run the program on the local host. Let's see. This is my the multi-agent A systems from the user input to the give recipe maker system. The input section ingredients has two part. User can type the ingredients and user can upload the file. Both options are actionable. Now I am going to type tomato rice oil. Let's click on the generate recipe. Let's see what is happening, and you can see this the multi-agent system can generate the full the recipe and all along with the instruction. You can see. Let's read one by one. The cheap special tomato rice bowl, and it also gives the cooking time, serving, the difficulty level along with tag, quick, vegetarian, easy and rice. Ingredients tomato, rice and oil. Here is the 3 steps instruction. The user can follow one by one. He can independently make the recipe along with the help of this multi-agent system. Now suppose I put the another ingredients, garlic, pasta, oil. Let's see. Now click on the generate recipe. What is happening? Let's see. It is a special garlic pasta. Also give the cooking time 15 to 20 minutes. Serving to serving medium difficulty level. Now ingredients garlic pasta oil. Here is the 3 steps cooking instruction. User can follow this instruction. He can make the whole recipe independently. If we like my multi-agent system that from raw ingredient to recipe maker instruction, then please subscribe to my channel and give comment on the comment section and do like. Thank you.